In your own personal view, how do you think playing sports can help improve the mental health and overall well-being of the youth? Again, your question is, in your own personal view, how do you think playing sports can help improve the mental health and overall well-being of the youth?
Thank you for that question. Sports can help the youth of Alyosan by teaching important values like discipline, teamwork, and hard work. It keeps them active, healthy, and away from bad influences. As candidate of Pinipining Alyosan, I would like to encourage everyone, especially our youth, to come out with their comfort zone and participate in any activities and sports here in our municipality. That is why I personally appreciate the effort of our local government by conducting a series of activities that could showcase the talents and skills of every Alisanon. I believe that this is a great platform for us to build a camaraderie and connections to each one of us. Let's help by supporting and participating to the program and projects of our government to help our municipality more progressive that could benefit the success and goodness of all humanity.